Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to create a Steam account on PC or laptop. So in order to do this, first of all, you need to install Steam. I've installed Steam here and you need to open it up. Once you've opened up Steam, to create a new account, you'll find a button that says create a free account on the bottom right corner. Click on that. This will redirect you to a new page where you need to enter your email address and confirm it. So I'm going to enter my email address here. Once you've written the top space, you need to confirm it in the space below. Then once you've entered your email address, you need to confirm your country of residence. After that, confirm that you're human. Click here. Once you've confirmed that you're human, confirm that you're 13 and older and agree to the terms of service. Then click on continue to proceed. So Steam will send you an email to confirm your identity. So open up a browser. So here is my email and this is the way that it looks like. To verify that it is you, click on the verify my email address button. And your email has been verified. After it has been verified, go back to Steam. So Steam will ask you to fill in an account name and password. Choose an account name you want and your own password. So I'm going to fill in my account name. So it's important that you choose an account name which is available since there are a lot of account names on Steam. After inputting your password on the top space, confirm your password on the lower space. And once you've entered your account name and password, click on Done to confirm. And a text message will appear saying that your account has been created successfully. Click on Continue. So this will redirect you to the page you just saw. So you need to enter your account name that you've just created. Enter also the password that you've already created. And once you're done, click on Sign In. Sometimes a verification code may be sent to your email to confirm your identity. So enter that code. Once you've entered that code, Steam will sign you in. And here we are. We've created our Steam account and have signed in on the Steam app. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.